The winds howled, the skies crackled, and the heavens roared with anticipation. From the void beyond the stars, where time stands still and eternity unfolds, there arose a being of untamed power, the son of Tengri. Kuara, the god of thunder. His birth was heralded by the clash of celestial titans. And his cradle, the black storm clouds themselves. Lightning was his breath, and thunder, his voice. When Kuara first opened his eyes, the world beneath trembled, for it knew that its protector, its might, had arrived. With every step he took, the earth shook. His fiery eyes pierced the dark clouds, seeing into the hearts of men and gods alike. One day, as the Danube waters flowed quietly under the cool shade of the mountains, a great shadow fell over the land. It was no ordinary shadow, but a mass of darkness so thick it devoured the light of the sun itself. From the underworld came creatures of despair, beasts made of smoke and shadows, sent by their dark master to consume the mortal realm. The people, feeling the surge of doom, prayed, cried out to the skies for salvation. Their whispers reached the ears of Tengri, who turned to his son, Kuara, with a knowing glance. Without hesitation, Kuara mounted his great thunder stallion, its hooves made of molten lightning. As he rode, the skies rumbled, and clouds black as night gathered, swirling around his mighty form. When he descended upon the land, the very air crackled with power. His mighty hammer, forged in the flames of the sun, radiated with divine energy. He stood between the people and the shadow creatures, and with a voice that rivaled the sound of the cosmos tearing apart, he roared, "Begone, foul things of the dark." He raised his hammer, and in an instant, the skies opened up. Torrents of divine lightning rained down, each bolt more powerful than the last. The creatures howled in agony as the light consumed them, their dark forms disintegrating into nothingness. Kuara stood tall, a radiant beacon of strength and power. His eyes softened as the threat disappeared, and with a crack of thunder, he disappeared back into the heavens. The people of the Danube rejoiced, for their protector had answered their prayers, saving them from utter destruction. Thus, from that day forth, Kuara was revered, not just as a god of thunder, but as the eternal guardian of the world. Whenever the skies darkened and thunder roared, the people knew it was Kuara, watching over them, protecting them with his divine strength. Kuara's power is unparalleled, he commands the skies and bends the storm to his will. His hammer strikes with the force of the heavens, and his mount, a lightning-born steed, can traverse realms in the blink of an eye. He is the guardian of the weak and the scourge of the dark forces that dare threaten the mortal world. His eyes see beyond time, and his voice alone can shatter mountains. If this tale of the mighty Kuara sparks your curiosity, then the legends of the gods that follow will awaken your soul. Watch our other videos to unravel the power and mystery that lies in the ancient deities.